Hello, welcome back. I was watching a video on speed typing today, like how we can do speed typing on our keyboard, and now I'm really very curious to know what my typing speed is. For that, after doing some research, I have got a website which is known as RataType. Here we can learn speed typing and can even check our speed. So today I'm going to check mine. Like I'm really very curious to know what my typing speed is. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we'll go to the browser and type RataType and go to your website. This is the website, and you can see here in the menu you can see there is typing tutor, typing test, learn, high scores. You can go to learn and learn faster typing, like how you can type fast on your keyboard. As I'm going to do my typing test, I'm going to click on typing test, and down below here you can see it's written take a typing test. I'm going to click that. Also, one thing, you also get a certificate if you learn how to do speed typing from RataType, or you can even if you do a typing test on RataType, you will get a certificate. If you want to download it, you can download it, but you have to do is to log in or sign into their website. So keeping that aside, let's see my typing speed. So behind this layer you can see a paragraph. I have to type that paragraph, and on the basis of that they will decide my typing speed, what my typing speed is. So I'm going to click on start typing now. It's against the law to sell donut holes under the law of Mississippi. SSIPI. There is no such thing as a. There's no female peeping tom. Female peeping tom. Anti-modern laws. Modem laws. Restrict internet access. Country of Burma, illegal possession of a modem can lead to a prison term. Loaners are illegal in Canada. Citizen is forbidden by law. Give another citizen a box. Citizen a box of candidate weights. More than 550 pounds. More than 50 pounds. Okay, now let's check it. It's 33 words per meter. I know that's not good. My accuracy is only 90.1%. My typing speed is 33 words per minute. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. I need to increase my typing speed, but whatever. My typing speed till now is 33 words per meter. If you want to check yours, you can go directly to ratatype.com on your browser, and you can directly check without any restrictions. So make sure if you want the certificate, you have to log in or sign up with this website. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.